Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening and where we could see the price of Milady going in the immediate short term. So as of July the 4th, you can see the price is currently sitting at 41169. We're down about 3.5% over the last 24 hours in all three USD, Bitcoin, and Ethereum comparatives over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $36.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $4.1 million. So what is next? That is a question that you might have on your mind. But before we get into the update, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, if we're looking at their Twitter, we did hear some sort of a positive, move coming out from Milady, whoever runs their Twitter. And, the tweet was, as the sun graces us with its presence, we are excited to announce that something big is coming our way. Stay tuned for a special release with Ladies. So basically, as you guys may know, I've been criticizing, the Ladies devs or whoever runs their Twitter account that, they need to, have their followers engagement going. And, that is something that I've been saying literally from the beginning. And I know some people don't like that. Some people don't like hearing that. But I'm going to be literally straightforward. If I think something needs work, something needs attention, I will say it. Whether you like it or not, unfortunately, I'm going to speak my heart. I'm not going to keep things to myself. And that's just that. So we will see what happens. Hopefully, it's just not them hyping it up and not delivering, because we did hear this announcement like a week ago before too that they have something big loading up. So we will see. But what is next with the price? Are we seeing some sort of a shift in the overall momentum? That's what I'm going to share with you guys. So if we're looking at the holder count, you can see the holder count has decreased a little bit, but compared to yesterday, it's around the same. But most importantly, it's still holding above that 15,000 holders. So that is great to see. But today, before I get into the Ladies update, you guys can see this for yourself. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a retracement within its price. We've seen about let's see exactly how much BTC has retested, about 2%. So a 2% retest. Dominance is still hanging around this 51.26 percent. We haven't really retested that 52%. So that is a good thing in my opinion, and I will share as to why. Because if the dominance was still around this 52% and Bitcoin even saw a 3% or 2% dip, we would have seen altcoins bleed even harder compared to what we're seeing right now. Because if you look at the market right now, majority of the altcoins are down over the last 24 hours. We would have seen more bloodbath in my opinion if dominance was still at 52%. But now let's look at the price, see what is happening with the price of Ladies. So again, guys, very critical, very, very critical zone. And 37 million market cap. So compared to yesterday, we are holding around that same range, which is a good sign. I'm not going to say that it's not. That's definitely a good sign. But one thing that I want you guys to keep your eyes out very, very closely is that we're literally hanging on a very important support line. And let me tell you something. Over the past 2 days, I'd say 2 to 3 days, I've been hearing a lot of people unfortunately coming and saying, hey, Crypto ZX, man, not my supporters, not the ones that appreciate my work. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I know who you are. You guys continue to show support, and you guys know at the end of the day, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. Some of the people can't accept the truth, and I've said this literally from here. I said, if we lose the support line, we will see a decline in price, and people don't like hearing that. People don't like hearing that, but that is how things go, guys. I am seeing weakness. And obviously right now we're retesting the support line 3 different times. 3 different times. And that's an indication of, weakness coming in. And also, of course, we're seeing holders. You can see this for yourself on Etherscan. A lot of holders I've been noticing on Ladies and there's a lot of holders are selling their Ladies and moving to Pepe 2.0, which again, I don't really understand this Pepe 2.0. I still need to look into it, as I've said in my Pepe update that just went live before the Ladies one this time around. I mentioned in that I'm seeing a lot of people coming in and asking me to do a Pepe 2.0 update. So I will take a look into it. But basically what we're seeing is a lot of people are going into that because, people think that it could be the next Pepe, which is a huge statement to me. So that's what the current state of the market really is looking like. But, we're seeing weakness nonetheless. We're seeing weakness with the price of ladies. You can see we're holding at some very critical support lines. If we lose this support, guys, if we lose this support for Pepe, I'm sorry, not Pepe, ladies, we can see the price go down another 13.3%. The next major level of support is at that 3616 cents mark. I know some of you guys are saying, why is CryptoZX saying this? But unfortunately, that is the case right now. If the things were looking bullish, I would have, of course, said, hey guys, we're about to see a breakout happening, but that is just not the case right now. And this is where you need to understand how to bear with things like this, because this is the risk you're taking. If you're just investing blindly into coins, you are already doing something really, really scary. If you know me on my channel, I've always said, always do your own due diligence and research when you're investing in crypto. Number 2 is always invest what you can afford to lose. And number 3 is have patience. I know majority of the people understand this, but there are going to be some people that don't understand that. And then, they complain that, they are down so much. This is where you are, not investing diligently. You're investing too much. If you are awake literally 24/7 thinking about your holdings, you are overexposed. So that is something that you need to work on yourself, not blame or point fingers at anyone else. But this is the current scenario, guys, that's looking like if Bitcoin does even drop a little bit more, we could possibly lose this support line. So right now there could be, more retests happening. Like I said, the main support would be at that, 36.14 cents level of support. And that is just looking really likely right now, in my opinion. So this is where I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts on here? And also one other thing that indicates weakness is that after we broke below this level of support back on July the 1st, we didn't see the price go back above that. We never saw the price go back above that. And that's also indicates that the weakness is there for itself. So this is what I want you guys to keep in mind. I'm not hating on ladies. As you guys may know, I have some ladies. I hold a bag of ladies myself, but that does not mean just because I've hold it I'm going to be just mega bullish. No, absolutely not. In the immediate short term, that's the beauty of doing day-to-day updates. It gives us a better understanding as to what is going on in the short time frame, and day by day we kind of understand better. But this is what it's currently looking like, unless of course we do reclaim above this level of resistance. Then we will be having a different conversation. But I want to hear from you guys. Like I said, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys disagree with me? I want to hear from you guys. And also let me know if you guys want me to cover Pepe 2.0 and give you guys my thoughts on that. With that said, love you all. See you tomorrow in CryptoZX, and peace out.